So hello friends, in this video tutorial of Power BI DAX we will learn about how to make a remove filter in Power BI. So how we can do that. So we have here Power BI. So first of all we will create a card. So like this is our card, so I will put a card here, and suppose like I will make a sales card. I will put sales here. So this is our sales card now. So we have information of our sales here. Just drag it once more. Okay, so we have information of sales here. Next is I will put here some like this slicer. So I will put a slicer here, and in this slicer I will give this categories. So we have 3 categories, and we will put there as our categories also. Like our categories are furniture, office supplies, and technology. Like if I will click on furniture, so it will filter out the sales of furniture. If for office supplies, it will give this, and if it's some, then it will give other, and if it will clear, it will give total. Suppose like if we want a filter where we don't need any filter for sales, so what we will do, I will make a card here. I will go to the card, and now I will go to new measure and create a total sales new a remove filter option in that with a remove filter, so that we don't have a filter there. So I will make a total sales equal to, I will give a formula calculate, and after calculate I will sum our order sales here. So we have order sales. I will just select order sales from the list, then I will close this comma, and then I will give remove filter, just bracket open, bracket close, and enter, and see whether it work or not. So we have a new measure here, total sales. So we go down, and here is the total sales. I will put is this total sales in our card. So I just drag this and put it in the card. So here we have a total sales, here we have also total sales. Like if I will click on furniture here now, so it's working, it will take few seconds. Now if I will click on furniture, now you will see like changes is with our filter option, but not with our new measure which we have created. If we will go there, so we have remove filter from here, so it is not working in this. So it will show the sales of office supplies. If I will go there, it will show the sales of technology, but our filter, remove filter will work. So this way we can create a measure for remove filter. Thank you very much.